Actually, Principal Secretary, Commissioner and Collector are present, and today's Samadhan meeting is also there.
And you should have mentioned in the beginning.
Sure.
What is the report order, sir?
Writ Court has directed to consider past service for pension purpose.
Why not? That is well known, the judgment of Supreme Court. For the purpose of necessary benefits, past service should be counted.
Your Lordship.
For the purpose of monetary benefit, it should not know.
Your Lordship.
No, that is a well settled
Your
principle. Why not they count
Your Lordship,
service?
this, certainly, Your Lordship. I go down.
Why not counted the service?
Your Lordship.
How retired employee can live
Your Lordship.
without pension?
Your Lordship, they are receiving the pension. Only the past service which were done by him before coming on this post was not considered because that was not a regular post. That's why it was not considered. This issue is pending before Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has granted stay in the similar matter. Your Lordship.
What about this matter? You tell
Your
us.
Lordship. Your Lordship. Kindly see page number 13.
What now? What do you want now in this? What do you want now?
Your Lordship, this be kept in abeyance considering the review petition pending.
Why when you file review?
Your Lordship, it was filed in January itself. January itself. Your Lordship.
Doesn't any stay is granted?
Your Lordship, to that I am coming, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Your Lordship, kindly,
Sir,
Your Lordship.
mere filing review, mere filing appeal is contempt of court should not be stayed or could not keep in an abeyance.
Certainly.
Even if grant to stay, the period of 90 days or whatever the period fixed by trial by the writ court,
Your Lordship.
you bound to comply it.
Certainly.
It amounts to contempt.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
It amounts to contempt. They should not.
Certainly, Your Lordship.
What you say?
Your Lordship, the review is pending and could not be heard because it is to be heard by justice.
I will dictate the order, sir. You go for appeal.
Your Lordship.
Dictate the order now today.
Your Lordship, Justice Rusi
What
just sitting in single bench, Your Lordship.
Whatever it may be, it doesn't mean that you should comply or otherwise pass order, go for
Your
appeal.
Lordship, in this matter, the impugned order is passed mutatis mutandis of Madhav judgment. Madhav judgment was stayed in 2020 itself, but that was not considered.
You go for appeal if you have any grievance or otherwise you file, given an opportunity to file a counter
Your Lordship.
and pass appropriate order, you file it immediately.
Your Lordship,
You are not if you file an appeal, they remand the matter to the single court and give them an opportunity to file a counter, pass appropriate reasonable order. You have not done earlier. Now at the stage of contempt, you cannot go back.
No, Your Lordship.
No, Mr.
Before everything, we filed the review petition and the order.
January 25th passed this order.
In January only we filed the review in 10 days.
You may file it. Why not number it and take a
Making a
1 minute?
false statement about it.
In 10 days we filed it. On 13th February we filed it.
No, Mr.
On 18th.
Mr. Saxena, you are not. No, you
Your
cannot
Lordship,
go
this
back.
case was disposed.
I will pass an order, sir.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time be granted.
Pass an order.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time be
Pass
granted.
an order.
Either we'll settle the review or we'll file writ appeal and bring the stay.
No. They will say, we'll pass an order, final order. You go to the appellate bench.
Your Lordship, kindly give me 1 minute. I explain one fact. Your Lordship.
No, I don't want to hear it. Pass an order, January 25th. Neither comply the order nor filed an appeal.
Your Lordship.
You cannot go back filing review and keeping quiet
Your
for
Lordship,
10 months.
there's a reason to file.
No. You file review keeping quiet for 8 months.
Order has
And 9 months is not correct.
Your Lordship.
If at all the single judge passes an order without giving an opportunity for other side, you file immediate appeal, sir, remand the matter to the single judge, directing and give him an opportunity to file a counter and hearing the writ petition merits. You have not done so far.
Certainly. Your
What govern? Why? What you
No, Your Lordship, I completely agree to that point. I bow down to the words of the
They
Honour.
are all standing there.
Your Lordship,
All the respondents are standing. What is this?
Your Lordship, kindly appreciate one thing, that the order on the basis of which writ court order is passed is stayed in.
Whatever it will be. Why not opposite? That order you see that.
Your Lordship,
You see
kindly
that.
see page
You are
number
going
10.
consent that the order is.
Kindly see page
Yes,
number
yes,
10, Your Lordship. This is the impugned
No,
order.
1 minute.
Page number 10 is the impugned order of the compilation which I just supplied, Your Lordship. Kindly see last para 7, Your Lordship. The last para of the judgment.
With the respondent's consent, with the consent of government advocate pass an order or it won't be.
Yes.
No. First of all, you tell.
You're
This
not,
order passed by single judge with the consent of government advocate.
government advocate did not
Why?
consent on this order, but this is applicable.
You have served copy in advance before matter came up for
Your
hearing.
Lordship, we
Why you not opposed, sir, not to pass an order?
finally replied.
Opportunity. Given an opportunity to pass an order.
Your Lordship,
Why not ask for government advocate that day?
Your Lordship, one thing need to be seen. What is the misrepresentation that has been done by petitioner?
This very much you see, Tarun Kushwa, government advocate very much present when the order is passed.
Your Lord,
Cabinet office, Mister, these I will not hear it.
Your Lordship,
I will not hear whatever you say.
I request for 2 weeks.
I will not hear whatever you say, Mr. Counsel,
Okay.
Additional Advocate General, I will not hear it.
Your Lordship,
This is a gross negligence, patent negligence done by them.
kindly grant 2 weeks time.
Why, sir? Why two time?
Because Your Lordship, the order has been stayed by Supreme Court. Your Lordship,
Not, huh?
order has been stayed by Supreme Court.
Yes, but this order, without filing appeal, how can this order stayed by Supreme Court?
Your Lordship, this order is passed mutatis mutandis of an order which is stayed by Supreme Court previously itself.
This matter is not, I will not coming in the way of stay by Supreme Court. Let it be go the matter to carry to the matter
Because
Supreme
Your
Court.
Lordship, the order,
Pass an order, sir.
Your Lordship, kindly grant me 2 weeks.
No, sir, we will pass an order.
Your Lordship, kindly keep it next week. This Friday, I will
Why
request
are
a single
you-
bench.
Why? All the civil servants are standing in the row. What is this?
Your Lordship, the petition has been filed, Your Lordship. It could not come up before hearing because the
Either complained or not, or filed an appeal. Mere filing and review in the month of January, keeping quiet for 10 months when the
Your Lordship,
when this court directed them to appear, you are saying that
issued in review, Your Lordship. I have placed the order of notice also. Notices have been issued.
that is not a deal. No. Review. What is the review?
I humbly request, kindly grant a week time. We'll make a mention request also again. Your only issue is, Your Lordship, the single bench is not sitting. That's why the matter could not come. Only a week time be granted.
No.
The officers are before the court. A similar order has been stayed. It has been mutatis mutandis and made applicable in this case.
The
Your Lordship, I have a request. That's why I have filed an application.
What?
Kindly consider my application, which I just.
what is that application?
The application is that they are making a request that they have the highest regard to the orders passed by the honorable court. They furnish an unconditional apology. At least this contempt petition.
Unconditional apology, no?
Your Lordship.
Causing a delay for complying the orders of the writ court for filing unconditional apology. This is a judgment of Supreme Court
Your
1974.
Lordship.
Said that
Your Lordship.
94 4 judges bench of Supreme Court 1973. Apology is an act of contrition. Unless apology is offered at the earliest opportunity and good grace of apology is shown of patience.
Certainly.
If apology is offered at the time when the contemner finds that the court is going to impose punishment, not.
Your Lordship.
At the beginning you should.
Your Lordship.
This is the judgment of Supreme Court.
Your Lordship.
4 judges judgment.
Your Lordship.
1972. Now this is a trial.
Reply.
The judgment is not considered by Supreme Court or Supreme Court.
Your Lordship.
And another judges, 9 judges bench, 9 judges of Supreme Court, 1967 Supreme Court, page 1 you read. The order of the Supreme Court, the order of the High Court is complied to otherwise plenary. This is the judgment of the Supreme Court. 1967. They are not, they are sleeping for 9, 10 months. When the order notice they are appeared.
Your Lordship, may I
What is this? Kind of
granted to comply. If we don't get the stay, we'll comply with the order. Date be granted, Your Lordship. A humble request. Reply was
Sir, you should think of other side.
Your Lordship.
He is living on the pension, he is not counted his pension, how he will be? Survive his family with family.
I would not say anything, Your Lordship. I'm just making a request. I can say that the order has been obtained after misrepresenting the honorable court, but I will only say a time be granted, Your Lordship. We'll comply if not stayed by the honorable.
Objection, sorry.
Your Lordship, I am making a humble request. The reply was filed well before, Your Lordship, before this contempt court, Your Lordship.
The reply, no.
Rendering the unconditional apology. It is not the situation that they were directed to remain present. That's why the petition was filed. That's why the things were.
You want to complete the order.
Your Lordship, we
You cannot escape it. Even appellate court stayed. The period of 90 days, you have not complied under contempt 1920.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship.
2003 Supreme Court. When a court is imposed a time bound for 3 months or 4 months, if you are not complied, subsequently preferred an appeal stayed by appellate court, You cannot escape.
No, no.
You are bound to come.
We are bound.
Contempt.
We are bound.
This is the judgment of Supreme Court.
We are bound, Your Lordship. We are bound. Time be granted, we'll comply with the order, Your Lordship. A time be granted.
No.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, we have filed an application, we have filed the reply previously. We also preferred, we have filed the review petition well before time, Your Lordship, and only 2 hearings took place, Your Lordship. There is no delay in disposal of the review.
Who is the first Rastogi?
She is Dipali Rastogi now.
What, madam, what is, you are holding a post of?
Principal Secretary holding the.
What, madam, what kind of, you are not comply the order? What?
If your lordship may, sir.
This court will not hear the reasons why not to comply, that's all. This is order, either to comply within a period or you go to the appeal. This is the only things.
Yes, because in a similar case, we have obtained stay. from
That is
the
over. You
Supreme-
please carry the matter immediate appeal and dispose it off and go to Supreme Court. This matter also covered under the similar case.
Sir.
That is not stays now.
Sir.
Why not to comply the order of the writ court?
So I'm sorry, I shouldn't say this here, but I just joined in the department, so the minute I got to know, so we have
Your Lordship,
When you joined,
to answer first.
you don't have any legal department?
Sir, we do, sir, and also, sir, if I may, this particular person,
They-
is part
The
father.
the land counsel for the petitioners present. Mr. Deepali Rastogi, Srimati Deepali Rastogi, holding post of Principal Secretary of
Panchayat Department.
Panchayat Department. Shown them as first respondent is present. The second Manoj Pushap,
He is also present.
the commissioner of the Panchayat Raj Department, shown him as second respondent is present. The third respondent Rajesh Bratham, the collector of Ratlam,
Your Lordship.
is present. Goswami,
Your Lordship, there is no such person on this post, Your Lordship.
who is
However, the CEO,
only CEO of Ratlam.
Shri Sringar Srivastav, he is present, Your Lordship.
Sringar Srivastav is the holding post of CEO of District Panchayat Office Ratlam is present. Direct to the respondent, the petitioner to amend the cause title and show him as fourth respondent in the place of Goswami. Next further. The present contempt petition filed by the petitioner for non-comply the order of the writ court dated 24 January 2024 in writ petition number 5285 of 2022. The present contempt to punish the respondents to non-comply the order of the writ court in writ petition number so and so. When the matter came and when the matter came for hearing on the last stage on 16/24, directed them to appear on 25th November 2024. Accordingly, all the respondents 1 to 4 is present. When the matter came for hearing, the learned additional advocate general stated that immediately after the order passed by the writ court dated
25th January.
23 January 24, they filed a review. What date when you filed review?
13th of February, Your Lordship.
Filed review on 13th February 2024. And neither review disposed of nor preferred an appeal by the respondents. Further, the learned additional advocate general stated that the same subject matter, but the already placed pending before the Supreme Court, and they have not implemented. And state by Supreme Court, they have not implemented. There may be a same subject matter, but the order of the writ court becomes final. Neither filed an appeal nor comply the order. In view of the judgment of Honorable Apex Court, will pass an order, sir.
Your Lordship, I have a humble request, Your
Will
Lordship.
pass an order, sir.
Not only the similar matter.
Let them face it, Mr.
Your Lordship, kindly grant 2 weeks time. We'll make a mention before the DB, Your Lordship. We'll make a special request for single bench.
In view of the judgment of Court Judge.
Your Lordship, kindly consider
Court
this.
Judges Bench 1972-3 SSC is 839 and 9 judge para and question before them as follows. Para, I type it in this order. The 9 judges bench of Honorable Apex Court recognized the superior status of the High Court as a court of plenary jurisdiction, being court of record, and held in Naresh Sridhar, Maria Jakar and others versus State of Maharashtra, reported in AR 1967, Supreme Court, page 1, para read as follows. The order of this court is not complied with by the respondents, and saying something by them. This type of tactics by the respondent to avoid to implement the order of the writ court cannot be tolerated, and the action of the respondent to amount to contempt of court. At this juncture, tell madam how much time you want to comply the order.
So, actually, this is a policy matter. It will have to go to cabinet also, sir.
I don't know, madam. You can.
I'll do it within
Madam.
2 weeks, sir.
Policy matter go to cabinet. I worked as law secretary for 4 years in Andhra Pradesh. So there is an order of this court. You brief the chief, give an order, and ratify the action. Be next cabinet.
So-
Doesn't mean that the cabinet after 2 months you can't wait. The courts should not wait.
So,
Therefore, you comply the order
My humble-
and place it before the cabinet. In the meanwhile, you go and brief the chief minister.
My humble,
If there is.
Honorable Chief Minister is out of the country till the.
You send a mail. You send the mail to the principal secretary. He will get approval and get it. Madam, these tactics I know.
It's not.
I will not. Madam.
I'm sorry, sir, but. it's
You
my
have
heart-
how many days? How much time you want to comply the order? Now, just only impose punishment only. Already completed.
Some Honorable Chief Minister के आने के
But
बाद.
considering the position of all the respondents, one more opportunity is given. How much time you want to comply?
So, 3 weeks or 1 week.
Will a minute to pass an order.
Your Lordship, kindly keep it after 4 weeks. We'll settle the issue, Your Lordship. We'll settle.
The Learned Council for the Learned Additional Advocate General and the first respondent, Srimati Rastogi, short time to comply the order of the writ court for 3 weeks. Further, she stated that the matter has to go cabinet to comply the order. In the meanwhile, the respondent, number 1, first respondent, brief this Honorable Chief Minister and issue orders and get to ratify next cabinet. If the respondents fail to comply the order of the writ court before the next adjournment, will pass appropriate orders in accordance with law.